Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wells Fargo account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete a Wells Fargo Zelle email profile? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete an email that's connected to your Wells Fargo Zelle profile anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have various emails, and some of them are private emails, so you don't want that connected to your Zelle payments. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wells Fargo dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Wells Fargo account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove an email from your Zelle profile on Wells Fargo, here on the top menu in white in the center, you want to click on transfer and pay. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu, and you want to click here, send money with Zelle. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options, and you want to click here, manage payment profiles. Okay, here you can see all of the phone numbers and emails that you're approved to receive Zelle payments from. So go ahead and choose the email that you want to remove. So for example, this one right here. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this pop up. Are you sure you want to unenroll this email address? If so, click on the yes button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes, and now you can see that my email address is here under the unenrolled section. So I can no longer receive Zelle payments to my Wells Fargo account with this email address unless I come back in here and re-enroll it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to disconnect or remove an email from your Wells Fargo Zelle payment authorization, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.